Hey everyone! Before we dive into the juicy details about purple carrots, don't forget to click on the link in the description below to grab your special offer. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this one. Alright, let's get to the root of today's topic, purple carrots. You might be wondering, what's the deal with purple carrots and why are they more expensive than regular orange ones? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dig deep into the colorful world of this vibrant veggie. First off, purple carrots aren't some newfangled trend. They actually date back thousands of years and were the common variety before orange carrots took over the spotlight. That's right, folks. Purple carrots are the OGs of the carrot family, but with great history comes a hefty price tag. So, why are they so expensive? One major factor is supply and demand. Purple carrots are still considered a specialty crop, which means they aren't grown as widely as their orange counterparts. Fewer farmers grow them, leading to a limited supply. And when there's less of something tasty, the price naturally goes up. It's simple carrot economics, my friends. Next, let's talk about the farming process. Purple carrots require specific growing conditions, and they can be a bit finicky. Farmers need to carefully manage soil quality, weather conditions, and pest control to ensure a successful harvest. This extra care and attention mean higher production costs, which, you guessed it, get passed down to us, the consumers. But it's not all bad news. Purple carrots pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. They're loaded with anthocyanins, the same antioxidants found in blueberries and red cabbage. These powerful compounds can help fight inflammation, improve heart health, and even boost brain function. So, while you might be shelling out a bit more cash, you're actually investing in your health. And you can't really put a price on that, can you? Now I know what you're thinking. Are purple carrots worth the splurge? Well, that's up to you. If you're looking to add a pop of color and a nutritional boost to your meals, then absolutely. Plus, they make for a great conversation starter at your next dinner party. Oh, these? Just some exotic purple carrots. No big deal. Before we wrap up, remember to click on the link in the description below to get your special offer on purple carrots. You might even snag a sweet discount. So there you have it, the true cost of purple carrots revealed. Next time you see these vibrant veggies at the store, you'll know exactly why they come with a higher price tag. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fun and informative videos. See you next time.